Pro Bono crew, it's Claire Desira here, and I'm back with another Monday morning hack to get your job search off to a great start this week. These videos are all about supporting you as you explore new opportunities, start new conversations, and start to picture new things in your life. And looking for a job can be a really vulnerable process, so we're here for you every week with some tips to just help fine-tune that mindset. We're totally obsessed with this type of work. When we're not making these videos, I head up a training organisation, works with thousands of people every year from hundreds of organisations to support them to have a bigger impact through stronger mindset, resilience, change management, productivity, mental health. It's loads of fun. Today I wanted to talk to you about the drama. Now, every organisation has a little bit of drama, right? But this is not actually about the drama at your organisation or potentially at your organisation. This is actually about the internal drama. The internal drama that can go on sometimes when we have best laid plans. So for example, it might be that tomorrow morning, first thing, you set a plan that you're actually going to pick up the phone and call someone about a job opportunity, or call somebody that you used to work with to let them know that you're interested or looking for jobs. So best laid plans, you know that that's a really important thing for your future, that you're actually getting in the driver's seat with your future plans. But when 9 o'clock tomorrow morning rolls around, the primal part of your brain can think of a million other things that you could be doing that feel safer and more comfortable. Enter the drama. The drama between the future focused part of your brain and the primal part. The one that is looking out for your future and knows what you should be doing, and the one that actually just wants to feel comfortable and safe and fun at the time. It can create this crazy tension that can actually lead us to not take any action at all, or it can lead us to go and distract ourselves with a minor task, find ourselves being busy, but not actually doing the important stuff. Or it can just lead us to get in a big procrastination spiral and not end up doing the future focused stuff or the non-urgent stuff either. So much drama. When I look back on my career, I think if I could have understood how the brain works in these scenarios and really tried to trick it or hack it, then life would be completely different. There would have been so much less drama, so much less stress, and a lot more results and a lot bigger impact as well. So this week, I'd love you just to pay attention to the drama. Look out for the drama. Where are the resistance points, the procrastination points? Where are the times where you maybe question your integrity a little when you've laid out future plans that are fantastic, but then that primal part of your brain's kicked in the moment? Just pay attention to those this week. That's the first and only thing you need to do. And then next week we'll have a chat about some strategies for you to actually take those actions forward. Have some fun paying attention, noticing the drama, not getting too sucked into it, and trying to keep that future part of your brain in charge and that rational voice going so you can keep going with the things that are most important to you. Have some fun with it. This can get pretty intense, but trust me, it's really rewarding. So have some fun. We'll see you soon.